Well, welcome back, my foodie friends, to Tasty Portugal. Join me as we unravel the mysteries behind one of Portugal's most iconic dishes. Immerse yourself in this exquisite recipe where salted cod takes center stage, dancing with the rich flavors of olive oil, coming to a Portuguese symphony of delight. Well, greetings, my foodie friends. I'm thrilled to welcome you to Tasty Portugal, your passport to the captivating world of the Portuguese culinary. Today, we're unveiling the mysteries behind bacalhau ao lagareiro, a dish that embodies all that is good about the culinary in Portugal. From the silky texture of the salted cod to the warm embrace of olive oil, this dish speaks to us about tradition and about flavor. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and follow me into the kitchen. So for today's meal, we're going to need 2 loins of soaked cod, 15 potatoes for roasting, 1 sliced onion, which is optional, 10 laminated garlic cloves, 4 bay leaves, 250 millimeters or 4 ounces of virgin olive oil, freshly chopped parsley, and the unavoidable salt and pepper to season, of course. So the first thing we're going to do is to prepare the potatoes for roasting, and I'm going to teach you 2 ways of roasting them. On both ways, we will need to wash the potatoes very well because we are going to cook them with the peels on for added flavor and texture. Traditionally, we display them on a tray and season them with a drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast them in the preheated oven for 30 minutes at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. But there is a much more simpler way, which is to display them on a tray, season them with salt and pepper, and cook them in the microwave for 5 minutes at medium temperature. This will not fully cook the potatoes, but it will prepare them for the next step of this recipe. Next, and after the potatoes have cooled a little, we will lightly punch them. We are making punched potatoes after all. And the reason why we're doing this is to allow all those delicious flavors to permeate the potatoes to make them that much more tastier. Meanwhile, we will get started on our sauté to season our cod. So on a frying pan, we will add the 250 milliliters or 4 ounces of virgin olive oil, the sliced onion and the 4 bay leaves, and we will let the onion soften. We don't want this to get brown in color, just to soften a little, as it will cook in the oven later on. So once you see that the onion has in fact softened, then it's time to add in the 10 laminated garlic cloves. And again, we will just lightly fry them for 2 minutes, just to get the taste out of the garlic cloves, and then we will reserve this sauté. Next, we will start assembling all our delicious ingredients together. So on an oven tray or roasting pan, whatever you have handy, we will start by displaying our potatoes, leaving the center for the star of this recipe, our cod. We will pour 2 serving spoons of the reserved sauté in the center of the tray, add in the loins of cod on top, and cover the cod and the potatoes with the remaining sauté so that all of these flavors mix very well and our food becomes super tasty. Last but not least, we will roast our cod in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And here we have our codfish Lagareiro style, and it smells absolutely delicious. You definitely have to try this at home. And if you're like me and you're curious about how this recipe was created or why it has the name Lagareiro, visit us at tastyportugal.com.pt or click the link in the description. And as we bring the curtain down on our culinary odyssey, I hope you've enjoyed unveiling the secrets of bacalhau ao lagareiro with me. This dish, which was shrouded in mystery of tradition, has now become a part of your culinary repertoire. So let the echoes of Portugal's flavors linger in your kitchen, and may the intrigue of bacalhau ao lagareiro captivate your senses still. Don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned for more mysterious delights to come, and until then, keep cooking, keep smiling, and as we say in Portugal, bom apetite!